The 5 most expensive honeys in the world, and you won't believe the last one. Some honeys sell for astonishing prices, ranging from $500 to $1 million per kilogram. From ancient traditions in Yemen to high-altitude harvests in Turkey, these rare honeys are as luxurious as they are fascinating. So let's dive in. At number 5, Manuka Honey, from New Zealand's Manuka tree. This dark, earthy honey is famous for fighting bacteria. It's even used on wounds in hospitals. It ranges from $60 to $500 per kilogram, depending on MGO UMF ratings. Just as a note, MGO measures the antibacterial strength and UMF a more complete quality and potency rating. The higher the MGO equals stronger antibacterial power. At number 4, Elvish honey, legendary and rare. Discovered in 2009. This rare honey is harvested by hand at 18,000 meters in Turkey's Black Sea region. Elvish honey is made by the endangered Caucasian mountain gray bee, known for reaching nectar that no other bees can. No machines, just ropes, minerals, and centuries-old techniques. Rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, and trace gray anotoxins, this honey is often called fairy honey. Though cave legends exist, the true magic lies in its purity, altitude, and the ancient process behind every jar. Price ranges between $6,800 and $8,000 per kilogram. At number 3 is Yemeni cedar honey, harvested from the sacred cedar trees in Yemen's Hadramaut region. This raw monofloral honey is renowned for its purity, potency, and deep complex flavor. Locals have trusted it for centuries to support digestion, fight infections, and strengthen the immune system. Produced using traditional chemical-free methods, it's one of the most respected medicinal honeys in the world. Price ranging between $500 to $800 per kilogram. At number 2 is its sister, the Royal Yemen honey, sourced from wild cedar trees in remote, untouched regions of Yemen. This honey is even rarer than the standard cedar. It's harvested in tiny batches using traditional chemical-free methods passed down through generations. Raw, unfiltered, and packed with nutrients, it's prized for its bold flavor, rich aroma, and natural medicinal properties. Handmade from the sacred cedar tree nectar, one of the finest honeys in the world. Its price per kilogram typically ranges from approximately $280 to $550. Both Yemeni cedar and Royal Yemeni cedar are valued for their benefits, but the Royal version is rarer and more premium due to selective harvesting and limited supply. Now, at number 1, Centauri honey, found high in Turkey's mountains, made from rhododendron nectar. It contains gray anotoxin, compounds that cause dizziness, hallucinations, and even heart issues. It's been used in ancient medicine, but it's way too dangerous. Centauri honey has 5 quality and price tiers ranging from $25,000 to $1 million per kilogram. There you have it. A bit pricey for making mead unless you're Elon Musk. Let me know in the comments what expensive or unique honeys you've tried or made mead with, or whether you have any questions about mead making. I'd love to hear from you. Till the next video, happy mead making.